Slapping a plastic hose at your bedroom window and hoping for real cold air is one of the biggest design traps in modern home tech. Traditional portable air conditioners are fundamentally broken. They sit inside your room. They chug away, blasting hot exhaust through a giant plastic tube. That tube gets burning hot. Radiant heat spills right back into your space. Worse, that exhaust creates negative air pressure. Your room becomes a vacuum. It actively pulls warm air back inside through every tiny crack in your door frame or window seal. You are essentially fighting against your own appliance. Now, there is a totally different approach to portable climate control. It shifts the heavy lifting outside. It requires no permanent installation team. It needs zero drill bits through your exterior wall. This split portable system breaks the workload into two distinct pieces. They are connected by a super thin, flat cable that slides right under a standard window frame. The noisy compressor, the heavy condenser, and hot exhaust fan all stay outside on your ledge or balcony. Inside your bedroom, you get nothing but a whisper-quiet fan and an evaporator coil. That means zero negative pressure. It means zero hot exhaust hoses radiating warmth. You get a massive drop in room temperature within the very first hour. In silent mode, it drops down to a faint whisper. It will not wake up even the lightest sleeper. Energy efficiency ratings on this design sit right at the top of the European charts. But real engineering comes with a serious reality check. First off, this unit is not cheap. You are looking at paying anywhere from $1,200 to $1,800. That makes standard $300 portables look like impulse buys. The interior box is an absolute tank, too. It weighs in at around 70 pounds. One user called it insanely heavy to lug up a flight of stairs, and they were not exaggerating. You also need a specific type of window setup to hang the outdoor module securely. Plus, you have to manage condensate drainage so you do not accidentally douse your downstairs neighbors. Right now, it is primarily floating around European markets, leaving the rest of the world waiting. Still, it proves a vital point about how cooling physics actually works. Earlier this year, cheap $70 gadget boxes were popping up online. They claim to cool a room down without any window hose at all. That is not cooling. That is just a glorified fan blowing damp air across your face. Real refrigeration requires actual heat displacement. It needs an outdoor unit, advanced inverter tech, modern eco-friendly refrigerant, and heavy-duty parts. Real cooling costs real money. If you want true split system comfort without breaking lease agreements, this heavy monster shows what genuine portable cooling actually costs.